Patient is Haq, son of Allah Dita, 55 years of age, married, middle pass, farmer by profession, resident of Chunk, presented via OPD with the following presenting complaint: bulla eruption on whole body, with relative sparing of face and scalp for last 10 days, associated with pain and burning sensation for last 10 days. Patient was in usual state of health 3 months ago when he started developing pruritus on whole body, after which he took some Hakim medication and applied over the body and developed bulla, which started on the dorsal aspect of both hands and then spread to involve the arms, lower legs and trunk, with sparing of face, scalp and back. These bullas were formed over a period of 7 to 10 days and they were associated with pain and burning sensation. The bulla were formed on an articulated base. They were dense and containing clear fluid, ruptured in 2 days, leaving behind erosions which were of the same size as that of bulla. These bullas were healed in 4 to 5 days, leaving behind post-inflammatory hyper and hypopigmentation. There is no history of bulla formation in an annular distribution or after trauma or after going into the sun, and there is no history of any bulla formation over the elbows associated with intense pruritus and loose motions. According to patient, there is no mucosal involvement and there are no significant hair and nail changes. Patient gives history of large joint arthralgia and arthritis, due to which he feels difficulty in standing from sitting position. There is no history of any drug intake before or any history of vaccination before the start of these lesions. Patient gives history of weight loss which is of about 12 kgs in a period of 1 month. There are no associated complications with the redness of whole body associated with the pedal edema and palpitations, and no history of any high-grade fever with raw crusted erosions. There is no history of any heat and cold intolerance or any there is no history of any lumps and bumps in the body. Systemic inquiry is unremarkable except patient is having constipation. Patient is compliant to medication. It is his third admission because of his disease exacerbation in last 3 months. According to patient, his disease got worsened when the steroid dose was reduced by the doctor, and he then admitted with the bulla eruption. Patient is now taking 60 mg steroids per day with no associated complications, and he has taken tablet Amorin 50 mg for last 2 months. But there is no history of any pulse therapy or any rituximab injection. Over the disease course, patient feels that his disease has decreased intensity and is controlled on medication. There is no family history of such disease. The patient is a hookah smoker for last 3 years. And he is diabetic and hypertensive for last 5 years, for which he is taking medication and is controlled on it. The patient lives in his own house and he has 3 kids and they are earning. Patient had no significant past medical history, but he had hernioplasty a few months ago. On examination, my patient is an obese male, middle-aged obese male, sitting comfortably on the couch well cooperative throughout my examination. On general physical examination, his pulse is 84 beats per minute, normal, no volume, regular, having no radioradial or radiofemoral delay. The BP is 130 by 80. There is no lymphadenopathy, pallor or jaundice. On cutaneous examination, there is diffuse involvement predominantly involving the upper and lower limbs, front of chest, abdomen, with sparing of back, scalp and face. There are multiple areas of crusted erosions. These erosions are of variable sizes and shapes. I can appreciate some intact bullas. One is present on the outer aspect of right forearm, and 3 to 4 bullas are present on the dorsal aspect of right foot. The bulla spreading sign is negative. There are multiple areas of hyperpigmentation and as well as hypopigmentation distributed bilaterally symmetrically on outer aspect of both upper and lower limbs, as well as on the abdomen. There is a linear scar mark of about 4 centimeter present just below the umbilicus, which is a previous scarred mark area of the hernioplasty. Similar scar marks are present on the left thigh. On examination of the oral cavity, the oral hygiene is normal, with the yellowish stained teeth, and there is bilateral symmetrical involvement of buccal mucosa with violaceous to hyperpigmented patches on the buccal mucosa. The hair distribution on the scalp is normal. The teeth are the nails are shiny, and there is evidence of hyperpigmented velvety plaques in the axilla. On further examination, I can appreciate maceration of interdigital spaces of 3rd and 4th digits of the toes of the right foot. On systemic examination, the first and second heart sound are audible with no added sound. Apex beat is in 5th intercostal space in mid-clavicular line. On auscultation, I can appreciate V's on the right side of the chest. And on abdominal examination, the abdomen is protuberant with no visceromegally. The liver span is 9 to 10 centimeter. Bowel sounds are audible. Musculoskeletal system examination and joint examination and sensory examination are unremarkable. On the basis of my history and examination, my differential diagnosis is bullous pemphigoid and LP pemphigoides. Thank you.